Hello dear traders, you are watching a weekly stock market review prepared for you by InstaForex TV channel with me, Takhmina Salomova. The American stock market suffered sharp weekly losses on Friday after a strong downturn in the technology sector. The S&P 500 dropped by 1.6% last week. On Friday, it rose by 6.7 points or 0.2% to 2,736.27. The Dow Jones Industrial Average declined by more than 2% over the week, but it climbed by 123.95 points on Friday to 25,413.22. The Nasdaq Composite lost more than 2% on the week, and on Friday the index shed by 11.16 points or 0.2% to 7,247.87. The Dow and S&P 500 trimmed some of their weekly losses on Friday. They hit their sessions high after President Donald Trump said he was hopeful the US and China will strike a deal on trade. Friday's moves also came amid hate and fears the UK could soon crash out of the European Union without a deal. Technology, the biggest sector in the S&P by market cap, was the second worst performer last week, falling by 2.5%. The sector plummeted following a 5.4% decline in Apple. Analysts worry iPhone sales will slow down. Tech-related shares like Amazon and Netflix were also down by 7% and 5.7% respectively. Sharp losses in Nvidia dragged down the chip sector. Shares of Nvidia plunged by 18.8% on disappointing revenue in guidance. Nvidia had already declined by 22% in the past 3 months. Nvidia's quarterly results missed revenue expectations for the third quarter, and a forward guidance was well below expectations. You have watched weekly stock market review on InstaForex TV channel. We wish you profitable deals. See you later.